What if a tech unboxing could unlock the secrets of the mind? In a quiet corner of a bustling tech conference, a revolutionary device emerged, rumored to harness telepathy. As the reviewer unveiled it, whispers rippled through the crowd, electrifying their curiosity. The device, adorned with glowing circuits, promised to enhance communication without words. Excitement turned to disbelief when it seemingly reacted to the reviewer's thoughts, transmitting them to the audience. This unboxing didn't just showcase a gadget. It ignited debates about ethics, privacy, and the true potential of human connection.